Let's explore Hugo Skye Lounge at Amaya View, Cagayan de Oro City. Hugo Skye Lounge at Amaya View is one of my favorite destinations here in Cagayan de Oro City. But before mo makalimutan, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the notification bell. This amazing hybrid resort or adventure park, as I call it, is located at the highest peak of Cagayan de Oro City. Amaya View gives you not only a breathtaking view of the metro, but a one-stop destination in the sky. Amaya View completes the city water and air tourist experience. Hugo Skye Lounge at Amaya View is located at the highest peak of Cagayan de Oro City, especially in the municipality of Indahag, Cagayan de Oro. Indahag is the boundary between Cagayan de Oro City and Bukidnon, another province in northern Mindanao.
The heart of the Filipinos shining through. Filipino lights shining through. The heart of the Filipino shining through. Oh.
Guests in Amaya View are treated to a full view of the city while having a pleasure and convenience leisure sports, recreation activities, and great restaurants. Kids and adults will surely enjoy every activity this place could offer you and your visitors. Isa sa mga extreme sports or activities na pwede mong ma-experience sa Amaya View is paragliding. Paragliding in Amaya View is dubbed as the first ever in Cagayan de Oro City that gives all a chance to fly. So, kung hindi ka katulad sa akin na afraid of heights, then experience paragliding at Amaya View here at Cagayan de Oro City. The best paragliding experience is between 10 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Puso Pilipinas, may ganda walang kuba. Pusong Pilipino, nanginginig sa gilas. The heart of the Filipino shining through. Filipino lights shining through. The heart of the Filipino shining through. Filipino lights shining through. The heart of the Filipino shining through. We got
The heart of the Filipino. The heart of the Filipino.
Lugar sa hitsuraan mga gwapa-gwapa, diniddagan buutan ng mga higala. Ang turismo pagkatsada, kahapsay sa dakbayan puno sa gugma. City's golden friendship, I love this place. The best spot on earth, a nice place to stay. It is more fun sa Cagayan. People stay in Cagayan, Cagayan Parkview Hotel. In the middle of the city, you sleep like a baby. I love this place, I love to stay. It is more fun sa Cagayan.
Hugo Skye Lounge is a restaurant and bar. This is Amaya View iconic bar and restaurant take pride of its delicious food and extensive bar list and great service.
Mutambong tasa, higalaay, musuroy tasa, Gaston Park, sa kay Grilla sa Divisoria. It is more fun in Cagayan. People stay in Cagayan, Cagayan Parkview Hotel. In the middle of the city, you sleep like a baby. I love this place, I love to stay. It is more fun sa Cagayan.
Pagkatapos mo mag-ikot-ikot sa Amaya View, sure ako, gutom ka na. You wanted to taste the delicious food and drink served at Amaya Kitchen and Hugo Music Lounge? Check out their menu. Dining here will surely give you the meal of a lifetime.
Magchill-chill ta, ngadtos gamba, ang tribo CDO o uban banda. Sa lingkit kay manuroy kita, galambaguhan means Cagayan. City called in friendship, I love this place. The best spot on earth, a nice place to stay. It is more fun sa Cagayan. People stay in Cagayan, Cagayan Parkview Hotel. In the middle of the city, you sleep like a baby. I love this place, I love to stay. It is more fun sa Cagayan. People stay in Cagayan, Cagayan Parkview Hotel.
Hello mga ka-generation! Please subscribe to my friend Architect Gerald Patrick on his channel, Architect Studio. God bless!